What's up, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Optics Podcast. With me are Robbie, Jamo, Chef Jello, and Dennis. And finally, UP is back in the winning column. We
Woo!
won today against the league-leading NU Bulldogs 78 to 74.
Woo!
Harold Alarcon top scored with 24 points. Welcome back to the Harold Alarcon Show. What did we
Yeah.
miss?
Let's
Yeah.
go!
And can I just take note that since the finals of Phil Oil, UP has beaten MU consecutively. Round 1 of UAAP, round 2
Walang
of UAAP.
nagbago.
So, medyo tinik sa lalamunan ng mga Bulldogs ang mga Maroons. Would you agree?
Kryptonite. I would call us the kryptonite of the NU Bulldogs. We exhibited mastery over Jeff Napa and his squad. Yeah.
Yeah,
Obvious
and
'yun. So, obvious yun simula sa first quarter to the last. Yes, they outscored us for
Three
three
quarters.
quarters, pero that first quarter storm really set the tone for the UP Fighting Maroons.
yeah. And I was, di ba sinabi ko na to in previous episodes that parang when they go against UP, they give it all. So parang ito na ba yung ceiling nila? Eh parang when versus UP parang they have reached their ceiling. I don't know. Let's see. I mean, they're a formidable team pero um
Mm.
pag tayo ang kalaban nila, they
Kryptonite nga eh.
really come up
Nanghihina
short.
talaga sila sa atin eh.
At
Sino bang sino bang sino bang kanina ang mga heroes of the game?
Heroes of the game. Simulan natin
Siyempre, Pogs.
sa NU. Simulan sa NU.
Sige, sige.
You know, the usuals, they got Jake Figueroa and Paul Francisco. Jake Figueroa, by the way, only had what, one field goal in the first half.
in the first quarter, yeah, in the first half. Sa second half na siya kumana.
Oo, second half na siya kumana.
Total
Sa
points.
18.
Jake Figueroa got 18, Paul
18 points.
Francisco got
13.
13.
Hero nila against Ateneo.
Hero, the hero against Ateneo.
Palashel.
Tapos
Si PJ
syempre si
Palaciego,
PJ Palacielo
11.
really did well against us. Si Mr. Footwork, no?
Oo. Na
Eh,
ano, ginawa niya na 16 points si Mike Phillips. So syempre, kayang-kaya niyang gawin yung laban sa frontline
oo.
natin.
Mr.
I think
Footwork.
totoo, ang ganda ng footwork niya, yung pivot niya malinis, walang travel. Hindi siya
Yes.
kailangan gumamit ng siko, talagang katawan na malinis
Yeah.
na
Dip-dip.
body up lang at saka footwork.
Yeah.
I think you can say na medyo may big three na yung NU, I guess, for ano no, based on their statistics, lumilitaw talaga si Figueroa as their star player, and then after
Mhm.
Figueroa, medyo nag-even out na. Although, I think by now, may lumilitaw na doon sa supporting cast ni Figueroa na kumbaga kung si Figueroa yung Batman mo, dalawa yung Robin mo.
Hmm.
That would be Palacielo, yung hero nila against Lasal. And then Francisco, no, yung tumapos sa Ateneo in their previous
Yeah.
game, no, with 10 points in overtime.
Ah.
At
So,
magandang combination kasi Palacielo dahil ang baba ng ano niya ng center of gravity.
yeah.
'Di ba?
Oo.
So,
Kaya hirap
kaya
usugin.
talagang planted na planted siya ganyan. Tapos
Totoo.
naman
Mahirap
si
galawin.
yeah, who's the other guy?
Si
Paul
Yung
Kenshin.
Robin.
Francisco.
Si
Ay,
Francisco
si
naman
tama.
offensively,
Francisco.
ang galing din kasi ang mga hindi takot mag-tres, ang kanyang mga mid-ranger, ganyan. So, in fairness, may support talaga si Figueroa. Though, alam mo, hindi ko alam ito hindi ko alam, pero parang feeling ko Nash has faded in the background. Parang feeling ko hindi siya ganun ka-efficient at ka-effective na playmaker.
Eh, ang stand ko dyan, Chef Jello, considering yung size niya at saka yung play style niya, his ceiling was always going to be not high. So
Mhm.
parang
Mhm.
he's just making the most. The good thing about Steve Nash Enriquez is high effort player siya. So
Yeah,
hindi man ganun kataas yung ceiling niya. Kung ano
makulit.
man yung limited ceiling niya, na-make niya yung most out of it.
Yeah,
Pero
yeah.
doon sa moments na you need someone who can be a floor raiser, definitely hindi si ano yun, hindi si Steve Nash yun. So that's what they have yung big three nila for, no, yung Figueroa, Francisco at saka Palacielo. Mark Parks actually, revelation kanina, no. He came into the NU program na sobrang hilaw, parang sabi nung iba nepo baby kasi kapatid ni Ray Parks, di ba? But actually, he's coming into his own, no. Hindi na siya parang athletic guy lang. May shooting siya. Actually kanina
Oo nga. Two
naka-tres
for
siya
two.
eh.
Two
Dalawang
for
tres.
two sa
Two
tres.
out of two, di ba? So, kudos to his player development. Ang galing.
At
Yeah.
sino naman ang ating heroes pagdating sa ating UP Fighting Maroons? Sabi nga natin, welcome to the Harold
Uh,
Alarcon Freaking
yes.
Show.
24 points.
Siyempre, 24 points na
Yeah.
nakuha niya.
And 8 out 8 of 10 sa free throws. Ano pa?
Four
Yung 3 points
assists.
4
niya,
assists, 3
7.
rebounds,
Yep.
1 steal. Yeah.
Actually,
Kasi yung sumunod na points sa kanya, parang doble siya eh. 24 points sa kanya, si Ray is 11. So parang
11. Yeah.
disparity talaga. Talaga naging Harold Alarcon show siya.
Mm.
mm,
And yun nga, nasabi natin sa previous episodes, no? Ray, parang si Ray na yung ano yung perfect na point guard para
yes.
kay
Oh,
Harold.
Yeah.
totally agree. I think nabanggit na natin yan, no? And this has been pointed out by other fans na nung time ni JD Kagulangan, JD Kagulangan of course will always be one of our greatest
Mm-mm.
players ever. Uh, Hindi tayo nakakita ng game na nagsasabay na magandang laro si Harold at saka si JD Kagulangan. It was always, is it your turn or is it my turn now? Pero ngayon, this is the
Uh-uh.
second game this season alone na, well, of course, they're only going to play one season kasi last na ni Harold. Pero we now have two games na nagsabay na magandang laro. Ang top two players natin for today are Harold and Ray Remoga.
Ray. Yeah.
And I'm so happy seeing Ray performing his duties and performing it well. We know him as, di ba, may mga nagsabi, hindi yata sanay si Ray na hindi siya yung sentro ng laro. Kasi siya yon sa UE.
Uh-uh.
Sila ni Momoway, ganyan. Ilan lang sila doon, parang ganon. So parang nahirapan siya to adjust to the system na playmaker siya at hindi siya, kumbaga hindi niya primaryang trabaho ang scoring, ang pag-offense,
Uh-uh.
ganyan. However, right now, we can see, alam mo, tawang-tawa ako. Hindi naman akong tawa, pero amazed ako yung tipong, kunwari, di ba, bababa niya yung bola. Tapos, top of the key, mahaharangan siya. Blitz. Tapos may pause na 1 second. Tapos bigla siya magte-tres. Tapos papasok. Parang ako,
Specialty of the house.
Ganda
oh,
ng logo. Ganda ng logo tree niya, no?
oo. So ako
Linis
parang,
yung ring.
In
Gumana.
terms of 3 points, si Ray ang ang pinakamalaking points nila, 3. 3 yung pumasok sa 3. So naka
so 3
9
out
Yeah,
of
siya
5.
doon.
3.
Yeah.
Sumunod lang si Harold. So
No, 3
parang
out of 5 siya.
3 out of 5. Pero
Actually, yun sana ano, no, that leads me to an insight for the rest of the season kasi we have now approached the part of the season where nagkakaamuyan na yung teams, no. Nakita natin ako has been scouted, Kimani Ladi has been scouted, tayo
Escobar.
rin. Escobar has been scouted. Even in our game against Lasal, no, somehow medyo nakita na nila na after they blitz Remogat, ang kasunod nun would be Noruka trying to drive to the basket, no?
Yeah.
Which they did a good job defending nung game na yun.
Mm.
So in times like this, kailangan mo na yung go-to offense mo na kahit when they know it, they know it's coming, but it still works, no? You need a lot of those
Yeah.
players and a
Tight
lot of those plays
execution.
na alam mo paparating siya and you won't be able to do anything about it. Ray Remogat kanina, he bailed us out with two threes na magkasunod. Yung isa harap-harapan niya
Yeah.
tinira kay Jello Santiago.
Oo.
Yung isa pinull up niya sa logo, 'di ba? Yung
Oo.
nilinis muna yung ring bago
Ah,
pumasok. Ray Remogat is one of those shot makers na pag-alanganin, pwede mo ipasa kanya yung bola. And because of yung gravity na na-attract niya sa labas, it's easier for slashers such as Harold to do their work. So actually,
Sa loob.
complementary talaga yung skill sets nila.
Oo.
Unlike with JD Kagulangan na pareho silang penetrator, no? Remogat, because he's more of a outside shooter and playmaker,
Yeah.
na-attract niya yung depensa palabas, which opens things up for Harold.
Yeah,
Mhm.
when there's a quick assist, open yung nasa poste.
Correct.
Yeah.
Because they blitz Harold,
Yeah.
because they blitz Ray sa
Ray.
labas, nalilibre yung ilalim. Totoo.
Yung sinabi
And
kanina
baliktad din naman pag may sasalaksak si Harold, malilibre yung
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 labas.
pwedeng i-kick out kay Ray.
Yeah, tsaka one thing that I noticed, Harold is relentless. He's a relentless
Oo.
player. Yung tipong, you would see twice, thrice na malulunod siya. But he would, and nakita ko din with Raylan, nakita ko to with Jerry, na malulunod, sasaksak, malulunod, atras ng konti, gagawa ulit ng play, kahit hanggang 3 beses. Tapos,
They
ang
are
effective
dogs.
pa kasi sa mga yan, mahusay sila sa mid-range eh.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So kahit hindi sumaksak sa loob at mag-layup, pumapasok. So
Yes.
napansin ko lang
So,
yun nung mga past games.
hindi lang si Jerry yung yung mid-range maestro, no? Si Harold din. Actually, lahat
Correct.
sila mga mga
Even
Maroon
Raylan,
5.
even Raylan.
Even Raylan.
Sila
May
mga Maroon 5 para specialty of the house
may
yan.
magandang statement kanina si Harold during the press con. Sinabi kasi niya, tinanong siya, how does it feel na parang siya yung gagraduate na. Tapos sinasabi niya, kailangan niyang merong susundan yung mga younger na
Mhm.
dahil siya yung veterano, parang dapat maipakita niya na talagang hinog na siya dahil
Mm.
last game na niya
Oh.
Last game na nilang 5 eh.
Hmm.
Sinabi, ang pagkakabagit pa niya, buwis-buhay na sila for this season kasi
Oh.
this will be their last games for UP. Kaya nga inaano niya na sana na they will perform well until matapos yung game and papakita niya na ang pagiging veterano nila will be parang ideal message to the younger
Yes.
players na ginawa namin to kasi last na namin.
And if that's how he shows how the legacy that he wants to leave, ituloy-tuloy mo na kasi effective
Yes.
sa atin.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Tapos ang sinabi pa nga niya doon na ang kanilang they're just the process in going to the goal. Parang may game plan yan pero they're just involved in the process in winning the game. So they will just put all their effort para doon.
And can we also not forget sobrang effort ni Gani today?
Yes.
Yes.
Shall we all agree?
Gani is pinamataas na plus minus at
Yes,
plus
yun.
10. He
Ah.
had 7 points.
What's his plus minus?
10.
10. Plus 10.
About Gani, I was gonna say lang na yun nga, I was gonna say kanina na na unsung hero siya and yung plus 10 niya. Now that it's been mentioned, sobrang unsung hero niya because the stats don't show a lot. 6 rebounds lang siya, 2 steals, not even a
7 points.
block. One assist, no, 7 points. Pero it was specifically, so I was talking kanina about yung mga plays natin na pwede natin i-spam to infinity kasi reliable sila. And even
Yes.
alam ng kalaban natin na paparating yun, it still works. So, one is Ray Remogat shooting from deep. The other one is Harold Alarcon and Gani Stevens pick and roll.
Cutting. Yeah.
Yung two-man game nila doon sa taas na magsiset ng pick si Stevens, parang napansin nyo kanina, reset lang sila ng reset, no? When it doesn't work, gagawa lang ulit ang bagong pick. It works.
Saka maraming no-look, ha? Maraming
Yun pa.
no-look pass, ha? So, ibig sabihin talagang connect
Kabisado nila
silang
isa't
dalawa
isa.
dun sa play na yun.
Correct. Mukhang pinaraktis nila yan, totoo. Ng
Oo.
malala.
Okay. So, syempre, we have appreciated Noy, Gani, of course, OG also kanina.
Rayland.
Rayland, Harold,
naman.
Jerry. Okay, so let's talk about kind of big pink
Kaya mo
elephant
yan.
in the room. The performance of Sean Alter. We've seen reactions coming from the UP faithful that he may be, I don't know, underperforming, not performing to the expectations as a third year
Yeah.
player. What are your thoughts?
Well, being in your third year, there are certain expectations that come with it. Totoo lang. In your third year, you're expected to be more focused, more mature sa basketball court. And maybe at times medyo hindi natin nakikita 'yon kay Sean. Yun nga. Probably because uh naging backup center siya ngayon. Again, backup siya kay
Pero,
Gani.
pero
Oo,
during
yun.
the time na pinapasok siya,
Oo.
yeah, given yun eh, given yun na naging second stringer siya, hindi ba? Pero
Oo.
during the times na pinapasok siya, ano bang pagtingin ninyo sa kanyang naging performance?
Well, ako medyo nung sa last game medyo kulang ako sa kanya sa talon.
Actually,
Ewan ko
hindi
sa
siya
inyo.
ma-rebound.
Hindi siya ma-rebound ng last game eh.
Even that
And
during the
obvious
the
dun tayo
Lasal
kinakain
game.
eh. Oo. Yun.
How
Yan lang
about you,
naman.
Robbie?
May hot take ako. May hot
Okay,
take.
go.
I actually think na give he, ito yung sa akin. I always thought of him as a project player. And in the UAAP, sometimes it can take 4, even 5 years for a player to break out, no? Case in point, for example, Ken Bono. Ken Bono of Adamson, nag-MVP siya in his fourth or fifth year. It took until
Mm.
that MVP year for him to break out. Raba Al-Hosseini, 2008 MVP. Fourth year siya nun. His first 3 years, sobrang wala siyang basketball IQ. Sobrang
Ah,
wali talaga. Hindi siya remarkable on the court. Fans are asking why he's still getting minutes on the floor. So, ang ano ko here is, this is not the first time a project player, no, a big na project player has been parang, somewhat performing under expectations. Parang for me kasi, the thing about Alter is coming in, hindi naman parang we never expected him to be an instant contributor. Although
yeah.
I get the frustrations. Pero gusto ko siyang i-acknowledge, no. I see the work being put in against Lasal. Nakita natin when they inserted Daep, and nakita niya yung weight mismatch nila ni Daep. He asked for the ball. Pinasahan siya ng mga kampi niya. They trust him. They
Mhm.
fed him the ball
Mhm.
inside, and iniskora niya si Daep, no, for
Oh,
2 points under the basket. And Lasal saw that, kaya on the very next dead ball, when they had the opportunity, sinab nila agad si Daep, and inserted Mike Phillips back in, because they knew that if it didn't happen, Alter was going to abuse LeBron
Yeah.
James Daep, no, down low. So
Yeah.
I think na baka nagigets ko yung frustration, but at the same time maybe he needs more reps lang
Yeah.
siguro
Yeah.
to show his wares.
I
Yun
think
lang yun
kasi,
lang naman yung sagot dun eh.
yeah. No, and I think kasi we saw glimmers eh.
Yeah.
Glimmers of his performances during Phil Oil, 'di ba? Meron siyang
nakatres pa
streak no
yata.
na very aggressive siya sa
Mm.
yung pag ano as poste ganyan. So um, maybe people are looking syempre
Or
dumagdag
siguro
pa.
siguro
Tsaka si
hindi
Choi,
lang
pinasok kasi si Choi eh.
hindi lang rin ah masyadong nagwo-work lang yung mga plays for, let's say, Harold or Ray, yung mga plays for them to para hindi magamit yung mga plays for Sean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Uh,
kasi ganun yun sa basketball court eh. It's trial and error. If slashing doesn't work, you go for yung long range. Or if it
Mm.
that doesn't work, you try the post player, 'di ba?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Which is where Sean Alter operates.
Ako, I would actually side with Miles when it comes to Sean Alter being a project player. tignan muna natin si Ken Bono tsaka si Raba Al-Husseini. 'Di ba usually pag project player, Miles, merong template for that particular player. Si Ken Bono, meron siyang jump shot. Saan ka nakakita ng malaking tao na nakaka-jump shot na very accurate? Yun si Ken Bono. Si Raba Al-Husseini, meron siyang in the post. Tama, 'di ba? Yung
Oo, fast
post up
push.
play niya
Oo.
solid. When it
Mm.
comes to Sean Alter, lagi kong binabalikan yung yung performance niya as a
Powerful.
part of the New Mexico State Champions. Talagang sobrang dominant center siya. Dakdak ng dakdak. Wala na talagang nakakatigil sa kanya sa nung
Ah,
when he was still in the United States. So I think tiwala lang, give Sean time. I'm sure na
Yeah.
darating din yung panahon niya na sobrang dominant siya. Yun
Of
lang,
course, of course.
'di ba?
All
of
support
course.
for him.
Hmm.
We're saying this because we want the best of his performance to come out
Hmm.
as soon as he can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
'Di ba? As soon as he can. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
na touch na natin yung UP versus NU. The quite large elephant in the room. But I think we need to discuss the biggest elephant not only in the room but in the league in UAAP. The officiating
Hmm.
Okay.
as of as of now from when it started. So, okay, can we just clarify to all our audience that this is not to sour grape on the losses of UP, number one. This is not to say that there is I don't know, conspiracy or whatever, bentang
Mm.
laro, whatever, with the referees in the league. And it's not to excuse subpar performances of UP. I mean, we're not going to talk about subpar performances of other teams, but
Mm.
of UP. However, however, I think it's high time for us to talk about it because it's not only UP that na bumoboses tungkol sa inconsistencies, sa um questionable calls na kahit sinabi ng statement ng UAAP na 90% of their calls are accurate. I don't know how they did it. Binilang ba nila? Inisa-isa ba nila lahat ng tawag
League
sa
methodology.
round 1 para sabihin nilang yes, accurate yung 90%? Um, and we're discussing this because ako personally, as fan of the game, and as supporter of the league, not only of UP, parang sometimes these calls take away the the quality of the game, the spirit of
Momentum.
the game, the momentum, the excitement of the players, the passion, the energy. Kayo, what are your thoughts?
Ano yan? Parang comments and suggestion box yan sa restaurant. Kunwari, may mga nagsabi ng feedback. Aawayin mo yung nagsabi ng feedback kagad. I mean, you take note of it pa rin naman, di ba? Hindi yung outright i-dismiss mo how other people,
Ah,
have made their observations. Yun lang naman. Ayun, tulad ko lang sa comments and suggestion box lang yan.
certainly there are
Sometimes,
there are a lot of inconsistency sa pag-officiate, no.
mm.
Hindi hindi rin naman sila perfect, I guess. Pero I disagree with that 92% na accurate. Um,
Una-una, paano ano yung methodol? Una-una, bilang mga ano tayo, no, lalo na may mga scientifico at inhinyero
Right.
ng bayan tayo
Investigate
dito.
I
muna.
was about to
Oo.
say,
But
so,
outright,
so okay. So for you to say 92, you're 92% accurate. So you're saying that 100% of the calls you reviewed. Diba?
Ah,
That's
ah,
the
Oo,
assumption
yun ang
that
assumption
ah,
nun
from
eh.
round 1, from game 1 of round 1 until natapos yung round 1, all of the calls, whether be it traveling, loose ball, foul, defensive or
Non-calls
offensive, lahat
included.
yun, inisa-isa mo.
Non-calls
Totoo.
included.
'Di ba? Non-calls included.
Oo.
So, I don't know how they did it. Kung
Kaya
ilan
nga
yung nanood.
with the short
Ay,
turnaround time from the last game of round 1 and the first game of round 2. Tapos lumabas yung article, kailan ba yung kanina lang?
Yeah.
Na sinasabi we have this data and everything.
Tapos, yun,
Parang ang bilis naman.
aside from the methodology, another thing is, okay, so how about the integrity of the data? Ibig
Oo.
sabihin, nung sinabi ng nanood na, tama yung call, meron bang nag-verify nun na isa
Totoo.
pa?
Transparency. Totoo.
Diba? So data integrity also. And number three, to Robbie's point, in anything, customer service, first you acknowledge the concern. After you acknowledge the concern, you actually look into it and then offer solution. Na parang lahat ng ano nila, ng statement, mas mababa ang sweldo ng referee sa women's kasi mas mabagal ang laro ng women's. Huh?
Parang anong explanation yun?
Tsaka,
Same
so,
40 minutes na naman.
correct. Number one yun. Tapos syempre, ano ba? Sino ba nag-advise sa'yo? You're pandering on gender, gender issues. So, hindi mo sasabihin na mas mabagal. Di ba? Na parang, so, ibig sabihin, mas magaling yung mga so, yung mga male referees. O yung mga referees, so mas magaling
Hindi,
dapat
hindi.
yung referee sa lalaki kasi, di ba iisa yan?
Ah.
Internationally, iisa yan? Tama ba ako?
Standard. Standardized
Standard,
all
di
of
ba?
it.
So, yun. Tapos, kuwari, yung statement ngayon na, syempre, yung pagpataw kay Gavina ng four-game suspension. Saan galing
That's
yun?
excessive.
Saan galing?
Kaya
Is
nga
there,
dapat may
is there a rule book?
Yeah.
Diba? Is there a rule book?
Una-una, hindi transparent yung rule. So, ang hirap mag-operate based on assumptions eh. And also, it feels like you can change the rules anytime kung kung wala kang
Oo,
parang
dapat may black
permanent
and
rule
white.
book.
Oo.
Oo.
Saka parang napaka-punitive. Pag na-hurt ka dun sa sinabi, anuhan mo. Tawag doon,
Parusahan
i-suspend
mo.
mo. That
Totoo.
remember, Gavina said those out of the game.
Oo.
Post-game.
Post-game interview.
Yeah.
Right? So, my question is, if he had not done that during UAAP interview, and through a writing sa interview sa kanya outside, would they have sanctioned the same?
I don't know. Ay,
Diba?
naalala ko tuloy. Was Coach Nash given a suspension for saying things in the press con last season ba yun?
Last
Yung
season
nagsabi
yun.
siya yung
Yung
may
magsusunod.
kung ano na siya sinabi about the officiating
Ako, I don't think so.
Ateneo
I
game
don't
ba, no?
remember, ha?
Parang
parang
hindi.
nilista nila yung mga non-calls and non-calls. Tama ba? Tapos pinakita nila yung result, mga ganun, outcome. Parang nakita ko may tabulation pa ng calls and non-calls. So they
Parang ganun
investigated
nga.
on it.
Pero yun nga. It
Uh,
was Coach Nash
Parang ako hindi.
parang hindi.
I might be
I don't,
wrong, pero wala akong maalala.
hindi ko
oh,
siya maalala
I don't
na
recall.
suspend.
Oh.
So ayun. May issue talaga yung sa consistency of the UAAP.
Kanina,
Siguro call it a change of leadership thing coming from
If it were me, I'd
pinalitan yung
create an
commissioner.
independent body. Meron namang samahan ng di ba? Yung parang samahan ng referee ng Pilipinas. I'd create
Pero-
someone to audit para maabsuelto ko kung hindi totoo talaga.
Pero
Kung
yun nga.
totoo talaga.
yung chan kanina sa game, referee kurakot.
Actually,
Oh,
May
may chat na ganun.
Freedom of speech ba mga
kanina.
coaches? Pwede ba nilang
Actually,
Pero diba,
hindi nila
to
yung
Harp Dennis's point, and natutunan ko lang to no sa international corruption compliance. One of the true and tested solutions against corruption is transparency, no? If
Mhm.
nakikita ng mga tao yung reporting. So, katulad na sinabi nga ni Chef Jello, if we can have something open for the public, no? And yung iba kahit pang optics lang eh. Like for example, sa NBA, pag nagko-coaches challenge, the referee is required to speak on the microphone
Oo
kung
Mhm.
nga,
ano
yun
yung
nga.
findings niya sa coaches
Yun nga.
Tama,
challenge.
no?
I think
The
other
discussion, 'di
other
ba?
podcast outfits have mentioned that na the referee should be mic'd up,
Totoo.
especially when discussing kung the rationale behind their dun sa
Yung
review.
nila.
I agree.
Because
Actually for me, dapat
alam mo,
mic up sila the entire game. Totoo.
Then also, 'di
these
ba, isa pang
calls delay the
napansin,
game.
sorry. Another thing na napansin, 'di ba, parang if mag-explain ka sa isang coach, dapat ina-explain mo the same sa kabila,
Sa lahat. Yeah.
'di ba?
Oo.
Na kunwari, nagtatanong yung coach, ba't may call na ganito? Tapos pinaliwanag mo sa kanya, pupunta ka doon sa kabila at sasabihin mo, oh, ang tanong niya ganito at ito ang paliwanag ko.
Correct.
Eh,
Yeah.
hindi eh. Nagmumukhang, ba't siya explain kay ganito?
Tapos pag nagtanong, the technical.
Correct.
Parang it feels like parang para siyang isang abusadong court na dahil may
Yeah.
contempt power yung court
Correct.
na gagamit niya yung contempt power niya to punish valid criticisms, no, against it. So ang hirap mag-operate pag ganun. So napansin naman natin ang dami ng schools na nagsasabi we have seen three coaches air their thoughts about the officiating. I am very sure na hindi lang sila ang may thoughts na ganun, hindi lang siguro nila
Oo.
nako-communicate pa. Like kanina, for example, merong very clear na sahod. Yung foul kay Terence Forte, when he went for a fast break layup. It wasn't called as an unsportsmanlike foul. It was called, tama di ba? Normal foul lang siya tinawag.
Regular.
Mm.
Yeah, it was called as a regular foul. So, ang daming missed calls, ang daming calls na unfairly called, no? Like such as that. And kanina ang in a highly physical game, hindi mo makitaan ng consistency yung referees na parang may quarter na ang nipis ng tawag nila
Mhm.
and then may quarter na biglang they let the players play. So paano ano na?
Oo.
And not to mention yung very kumbaga kung ano yung traveling last year, yun yung lane violation this year, no?
Oo
Na
nga.
di ba last year ang daming travel call.
Ah,
Ngayon biglang ang daming lane
Last year
violation
nakarami
every free throw.
si Precious Momo
hindi,
Wade dun
tsaka yung,
Totoo.
grabe naman, okay, hindi natin sinasabi to dahil na yun ang dahilan ba't natalo ang UP. Pero grabe naman yung sa free throw. Laging lane violation. Parang ano ba? I sat in Patron, UP Lasal, sa harap namin, out of bounds yung bola, pumito. Tapos hindi siya nag-decide. Ang ending, jump ball. Ha? Paano? So, ibig sabihin,
Ah,
pag hindi mo nakita ang saving grace mo, yung possession arrow, ganon.
ah
So, ako parang,
that's
ano ba
another
yun?
thing, no? Yung lane violation na sinasabi ata ni Miles is yung pag sa free throw.
oo,
Hindi,
sa free
oo nga,
throw.
oo
Sobrang
nga,
dami
oo
nun.
nga.
Oh. Oh, yun, that is out of bounds yung yung sinasabi mo, Jello.
Oo, oo, oo.
Yun.
Nag-agree din ako dun sa, yung sa, kay Miles, sa lane violation na,
Yeah.
ilan, 3 beses umulit dahil lane violation.
Oh, pumasok tuloy yung mintis ni
Di
Pubs.
ba? And it was, syempre, di ba, ikaw, bilang atleta na gusto mong maglaro ng mahusay na laro, kapag yung mga alam mo namang, ano naman yan may honesty rin naman yung mga yun na nagsasabi
Ah.
kapag talagang nag-foul
Pero
sila,
yun
di
nga,
ba?
when it comes to lane violations, the ball must hit the ring first bago ka mag-cross for rebound. Yun yung FIBA
Yun yung,
rules eh.
oo.
Oh, so some referees pinapalampas yun, some referees don't. It is what it is. So,
Sana lang consistent.
sana lang consistent, 'di ba?
I just think that in a league like UAAP who has already surpassed NCAA as the go-to and premier collegiate athletic league, 'di ba, na we want the audience, the communities, the AUP community, whatever community of their own universities, to enjoy the game,
Hmm.
to enjoy the banter, the kantsawan, but not get it spoiled by questionable calls. Kasi parang, ano ba? Manonood pa ba kami? Puro na lang dead ball kasi yung mga tawag ninyo, ang tagal i-review dahil hindi nyo mapagdesisyonan, questionable. Hindi naman lahat yan rereklamuhan kung talagang tanggap eh. 'Di ba?
Totoo.
Ako, ang ano ko lang dyan is sobrang pampatagal yung yung mga game stoppage due to reviews and everything. If they called the game right in the first place, wala masyadong
Hindi naman
review.
naabot dun eh.
Oo, hindi
Sa
abot.
audience natin, baka meron kayong research powers kung sino ba ang mga referees na isinalang, ano ba ang kanilang mga qualification. Baka doon makahanap tayo ng dahilan bakit ganito yung medyo questionable yung mga calls. At hindi lang tayo sa UP yung nagsasabi nun ha. Si Coach Gold nga, pinaka-reserved pa eh. Hindi pa nagre-reklamo yan sa mga press con eh.
Totoo. Pero even if hindi siya nagrereklamo sa presscon, you can see in the game na
His
madalas nga
frustration.
nawawarningan yung UP na ba ng
Kasi
improper bet
technical nga eh.
recall.
Oo.
Totoo.
Tapos to everyone who's saying na fini-favoran ng mga referees ang UP, tingin-tingin din tayo sa stat sheets.
Yung free throw
parang pa,
disparity,
parang walang game na mas maraming foul yung kalaban.
totoo. Lagi tayo natatalo sa paramihan ng free throws. Madalas tayo natatalo.
Oo.
Yun talaga, one of the telltale signs.
Yun, ako ang wish ko talaga umayos na yung officiating. Yung tipong, syempre wala namang 100% perfect na officiating, pero yung tipong tanggap mo naman, ganyan, kung bakit may
Yung
call na
madaling
gano'n.
tanggapin yung resulta. Oo.
Mm.
Yun lang
Lalo
naman
kapag
eh. Yun ang point ng due process naman, 'di ba? Na you can lose. It's part of the game. It's
pero
within the
dapat
universe of
fair
results
yung
na
officiating.
importante. Fairly, totoo.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Mhm.
Officiating nila.
doesn't have to
Eh,
be doesn't have to name we don't have to name people
Mm-mm.
specifically, no, pero yung feedback sometimes deserves a second look. Yun lang naman yung part ng due process, di
it,
ba?
Oh,
kaya
if
nga
you're
diba
not
si
going
coach,
to
Deserves a
mention
second look. Yun
If you're
kaya
lang.
not
nga
going to
yung coach
mention
na
any names, I
Oh,
will. Jai Reyes, Commissioner, can you please do a better job naman?
Ah,
For not for anyone's sake, but for the sake of the league, but for the sake of the association, because ano first time mo, 'di ba? What legacy would you wanna leave? Um, Now that it's marred by controversies, now that it's marred by questionable officiating, what can we do? What can you do to redeem yourself
image.
and your leadership, 'di ba?
tingnan mo, na-suspend tuloy isang coach. Sobrang nag-rat, na-suspend tuloy ng 3 games ba yun?
Four.
Four
4.
games.
Di ba? Parang ang bigat din naman nun.
I think that's
Nagsalita na lang
excessive.
siya. Tapos bilang
So,
suspended pa siyang 4 games. Hirap na nga sila makapasok bilang nawalan pa sila ng coach na
Yeah.
totoo. Ako,
Wait
ako,
lang.
ako payong kaibigan lang. Full disclosure kasi Jai is a friend from high school, no. Kaklase ko siya in Ateneo High School. Pero
Shout out,
uh,
Commissioner.
shout out Kumish. Payong kaibigan lang din siguro from a fellow fan of the UAAP. Someone who's been watching in fact you know. Tawag dito. We care about this game as much as you, and we hope na ano no na meron din tayong parang more responsive, I guess mas responsive tayo dun sa mga valid criticisms by all schools, no, and including the school where you actually played basketball for, no. There are legitimate complaints coming from the Ateneo community. So maybe a little less of the PR, no, of the press releases, and probably more of the reforms, no, yung reforms na medyo concrete na we feel na something's being done, especially with regard to principles of fairness, principles of transparency in the game that we love. And we believe in you, no. You're the first millennial
Commish.
commissioner of any league, I think, in the Philippines na worth their salt, no?
Oo.
Magka-generation tayo, magka-age tayo. This is a very, very
Reviewable.
good opportunity to show millennial leadership na we can do things better than the previous generation did, no? So, thank you, yun lang.
Yeah, di ba? A response that's not reactive, a response that's not defensive, but a response that you would actually um know and feel that they have listened, that they have looked at the situation with careful considerations of different factors and different stakeholders, and at the end of it, with the league, the association, and the supporters in mind.
Mhm.
Kasi at the end of the day, if this pushes through and people lose interest in the league, then where will we go?
Actually, making the process transparent, making yun nga, the simple yung pagma-mic up lang ng refs,
Correct.
uh, goes a long way
Totoo yun.
Yeah,
when
yeah.
it comes in improving the quality of calls that the referees make sa laro.
Yung
It goes a
miking up
long
of
way.
yung miking up of referees ba is an NBA thing, not a FIBA thing?
Mm, parang meron din naman ata sa
Meron
FIBA.
din yata
O
sa
meron
FIBA.
sa FIBA.
O kaya kakala ko ba we follow FIBA rules?
Ayun nga. Baka we can have full implementation
Bakit
then.
bakit naman
Baka
selective
na lang
tayo sa
natin
rules na
sa next
ifa-follow
week.
Mm.
natin?
Tingnan natin kung mag-improve pa yan pag narinig na
Okay,
yung mga rants ng iba-ibang podcast na ano.
talking about improvements, sige, Dennis, bigyan mo naman kami ng rundown ng ng
Oy,
mga performance ng ating other
ano na
varsity
tayo?
teams.
For this week, nakakuha na natin yung first set of medals natin sa UAP Season 88.
Yes.
Recently, ang ating badminton team ay meron
Yeah.
nakapag-deliver sa
Congrats.
atin ng medals. Yung ating
Congratulations.
men's badminton team ay nakakuha ng silver, naging first runner-up sila.
Woo!
Ateneo ang naging champion, nakakuha ng gold. Ang ating namang women's badminton team, naging bronze sila, third placer. Pero kahit third
Congrats.
placer siya, ang ating isa sa player natin ay nirecognize na Rookie of the Year, si hindi ko na yung pangalan, pero ano siya, nirecognize siya as Rookie of the Year si Bry Eloise Fugan. Yan ang ano natin
Yay,
sa.
yes to
Eh.
athletic development in UP.
Yeah.
Yes, pero yan
Ah,
sa ano kasi sa
okay.
games, ito pa lang yata yung first set of games na lumabas na yung mga medal. So
Sa
by
UAAP.
sa UAP, so
UAAP.
by ranking natin diyan, meron na tayong medals natin na dalawa, isang silver, isang bronze. So ka-tie up na natin ang De La Salle, FEU. Yun. So tayo yung nasa rank na yan. Ang nangunguna sa race ng medals
UST.
Neo, 2 golds.
Ay,
Tapos sinusundan siya ng NU na 1 gold, 1 silver, and
Yeah,
1.
yeah, yeah.
all right.
All right.
We're proud of you.
In other
Wait,
news.
Congratulations sa
hindi,
badminton team.
hindi pala
Congrats.
natin na discuss yung giling-giling ni Chico.
Oh,
Cute,
yeah.
cute.
Another thing about the games, no, yung the game earlier, no, yung dance moves ni Chico. Tsaka yung hops ni Migs, I'm very impressed. May mga masamang
Lighter
intention
moment of the game.
si
Palangka
Palangka dun sa
sa ring.
sa ring, eh, no? Hindi nga
Choy,
lang
choy.
pumasok, pero
Sayang lang.
give it enough time.
Papasok yun.
Choy,
With more
Papasok
confidence
yun.
in the league.
choy.
Totoo.
And
Grabe
At least
talaga.
belated happy
Elevate
parang
siya.
commercial
birthday.
natin yun sa game. Yung mga moves nilang gano'n. Wala na
Belated
ibang
happy
attention.
birthday to Jan Jan.
Hmm.
Belated.
Related!
In other news, our women's volleyball team also defeated the FEU Lady Tamaraws sa
Congrats.
Shaky
3 sets.
Super League.
3 sets ba?
Sa
Congrats.
4 sets?
preseason, in 4 sets.
4 sets.
Nanalo ng first set yung FEU and then we took it from there. Yeah,
Good job.
good job.
Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Tapos, ano pa ba? Medyo not so good news yung women's basketball team natin and yung junior junior fighting maroons natin ay hindi maganda ang
Yan mo,
performance earlier.
tiwala lang.
Although yung sa women's, they were down big in at certain points of the game now, pero they show they show their heart na medyo nakahabol sila at hindi naging sobrang laki nung hindi naman sobrang 20 point na tambak.
Uy,
Kaya
tsaka
At the end,
Heard.
yung football team natin, di ba? Nanalo.
yeah,
Sa top
Sino bang
spot
kalaban? I forgot.
still top pa rin tayo sa football.
Undefeated tayo sa
Oo.
football, no?
Oo.
Yeah.
Good job.
At excited, nabanggit yan ni ating President Gigil nung
Oh.
nagkakwentuhan.
Oo.
Nabanggit niya.
By the way, last shoutout na since we were in shoutouts kanina, I was gonna say, Juan Gomez de Leaño, triple-double alert, no? So hindi pa enough that he was the first PBA player ever na maka-triple-double sa debut niya. 2 games later, naka-triple-double na naman siya, no, kanina. So that
Yeah.
makes it 2 triple-doubles out of his first 3 games. So congrats, Juan Gomez de Leaño.
Congrats.
Continue to beast out in the PBA. Shoutout din
CJ
kina CJ Cancino at
I was
Xavier
about to
Luceno.
say.
Naghahalimaw rin
Shoutout
sila.
din tayo sa mga masisipag na relatives nating mga players. Si Mami Nigani Steven. Sa
Yeah.
kanina binabati niya yung podcast. Si Mami Eve,
Shout
Lola
out.
niya, dyan din. Saka si Lola ni Jake, nandun sila. Shoutout daw sa atin. Kasi
Hello.
lagi daw nila tayo pinapakinggan, pinapanood.
Shout out.
Hello,
shout
Tita
out.
Eve. Thank you for
Hi.
watching.
Hello po, Mami ni Gani.
Si Mommy
Hi, Tita.
Stevens.
Mami
Mami
And of
Stevens.
course, shout
Mommy
out
Stevens.
to everyone who continues to watch Optics. Nakakataba po ng puso whenever you approach us during games and tell us that you watch us, that you
Salamat.
look
Yeah.
forward to our thoughts, to our opinions and analyses on the games. Thank you, UP community, for supporting us. And we promise that we'll continue to provide fun, but well thought of and hopefully balanced insights on the games, involving our UPMBT. So maraming salamat po.
And also, once again, this episode is brought to you by Upbeat. Upbeat, wear your pride.
Thank you,
Upbeat is
Upbeat.
available in UP Diliman, UP Visayas, in Miagao, no, and UP Los Baños. And you can also find their merch on Shopee and Lazada. You can also visit them. I think they have TikTok, no? They have TikTok store and
Shopee and Lazada.
also go to their IG, no, to check
Mhm.
their merch. So don't forget on your next UP game, wear your pride, Upbeat merchandise. Ayan.
Yan.
And
And
don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Lagi natin nakakalimutan.
yes, on our YouTube
Oh,
channel, you can find Optics podcast on our YouTube channel. We're also on Spotify. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ang dami na po nating episodes, ang dami na po nating subscribers.
Oo
Thank you
nga,
so
may
much.
backlog din kami sa Spotify.
Correct.
So,
We're just working on some file size issues,
Tsaka
but
sa
we'll
mga
get back
shorts,
there.
sorry na.
Nakalimutan pang shout out.
yun na,
Ayan.
And, Robbie, go!
Ito ang bisperas ng anibersaryo ng UP Bardagulan Maroon.
Yes.
let's go.
Happy 2nd anniversary. Nang nakikita mo ninyong podcast, ito ay housed under ng UP Bardagulan Maroons.
Oo.
Hindi kami lumabas parang kabote. Nagtipon-tipon kami 2 years ago. Doon kami nagkita-kita. So,
Correct.
happy anniversary. Shout out sa aming mga kasama.
Kaya sa mga members ng ng UP
Ay.
community na sa mga GCs nila ay nasi-censor, sa mga hindi makapag-express dahil baka ma-judge sila, narito
Join
po
na kayo
ang
ng
UP Bardagulan Maroons
Kami po yun.
para i-welcome kayo at
Happy Anib.
makapaglabas na inyong saloobin ng walang iniisip na
Walang
judgment at retaliation.
At censorship.
Love you.
At censorship. At dahil dyan, thank you very much for watching. UP fight, everyone!
UP fight.
See you in the
Bye.
games.
UP
Round 2,
fight.
marami pa po tayong games. Bye-bye!
Bye.
Greetings sa Uptakes podcast. Follow them and thank you for all the support.